In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion as a content creator. 5 minutes. We'll build a simple, repeatable system that keeps your ideas, schedules, and tasks in one place so you can create consistently without feeling scattered. Start by logging into Notion on the web or desktop app. Once you're in, create a new page or pick a template that fits your workflow. If you're just getting started, a blank page keeps things flexible. If you're short on time, a content calendar template can give you a quick head start. Next, create a master database where every content idea lives. Think of this as your single source of truth. Add entries for each idea and include key details you know you'll need later, like the working title, content type, and any tags that help you group related topics. This is where ideas go the moment they pop into your head, so it's always growing and searchable. Use multiple views to make the database work harder for you. Switch to table view for detailed tracking, perfect for seeing properties side by side. Add a calendar view to plan publishing dates at a glance. Drag ideas onto specific dates to slot them into your schedule, and let the calendar drive your weekly or monthly plan. Add a select property to move content through stages. Keep it simple and meaningful. Labels like idea, drafting, editing, scheduled, and published work well. As you update the status on each item, your views will reflect what needs attention next. If you publish across platforms, add separate columns for each one, each with its own status. That way, a single idea can be drafted for one platform, scheduled for another, and published on a third, all without duplicating work. Create a dedicated page to capture brainstorms. Use clear sections, like tabs, to group ideas by theme or series. This gives you a playful space to think broadly without cluttering the main pipeline. Within individual pages, store research, resources, and content pillar ideas. Paste links, save quotes, embed reference files, and jot down outlines. Keeping everything nested inside the content item means you won't hunt for context later. For daily execution, use to-do lists and simple tables to track tasks. Checkboxes keep you honest, and small wins add up fast when you can see progress. Finally, build an all-in-one dashboard. Pull in linked views of your main databases, filtered to show what matters today, upcoming deadlines, in-progress drafts, and quick links to brainstorming and research. With your hub set up, you'll open Notion and know exactly what to do next.